Welcome, here I've got TCL 25G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings, and now we have to slide a little bit down to the general category. Here we can find the watermark option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture to see how the watermark looked like at the real one. Now let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our photo with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to it. TCL 25G display greatness. And of course when we don't need it, we have to go back to the camera, then to the left corner settings, slide down and pick the watermark button to turn it off. So for now when we take another picture, it should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.